Meaning of first rate.
First rate.
First rate.
First rate.
First rate. The term first rate typically refers to something that is of the highest quality or standard. It can be used to describe a person, thing, or service that is exceptionally good, outstanding, or superior in its field. This may include products, services, or individuals with exceptional skills or abilities. The term can be used to describe anything that is at the very top tier in its specific category, and it is often used as a measure of excellence or distinction. Overall, first rate signifies the highest level of quality and performance.